If you want to cancel your Pandora subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Pandora website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Subscription or Billing. Here, you will find details about your current subscription plan. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Select the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts provided, which may include confirming your decision or providing feedback. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, check your email for a confirmation message from Pandora. This will verify that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Pandora subscription. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Pandora's customer support for assistance.